Hey guys, and today this is going to be my gameplay, Neko Atsume, episode 1. I already started Neko Atsume, but I'm not restarting because I already have rare cats. So, I'm going to be showing you the cats I have and how to get the cats that I have. So, yeah, hold on. Oh God, what am I doing? Cause what's in momentums? Oh, I don't have any. That's it. Can I? Nope. Okay, I just give up. Okay, so first I have Snowball, I have Spots, I have Shadow, I have Smokey, I have Sunny, Fred, Pumpkin, Callie. Is there any picture of her? No. Callie, Tabitha, Bandit, Marshmallow, Gabrielle, Socks. As you can see, another rare cat is there. Jack, Lexi, Breezy, Bolt. Misty came 4 times, but I didn't see her, so I have Pickles, Patches, Pepper, Gozer, Coco, and Princess. Do I have any picture of her? Nope. And Princess. Peaches, Max, Speckles, Willie, Rascal, Daddy, and Spooky came 1 time, but I didn't see him, so that's it. I have Ganache, Pasty came, but I didn't see Pasty. I have Willow and Machieta. Here's a rare St. Patrick. He came 3 times. I'm really mad because Miss Fortune came, but I didn't see her. That's sad. I have Lady Meow Meow and Tubbs. All you need for Tubbs is just what, but not the one that's for free. It has to be Tubbs is the Twinkie Bits. This Sashami, and the Ritzy Bits. And Lady Meow Meow, you need the Sushami and the luxurious hammock. And then I have Bengal Jack. Sadly, there's a cat inside the box, so it makes me mad. So Bengal Jack. And yeah, so in total I have 1. Hold on. I really need to. I don't know why I have to count, but 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 rails. I almost had 5 because one of my favorites came. I'm trying to get Joe. What's that one? Cause this is so loser. Oh. Yeah. So. Yeah. That's.